Let's look at two different methods that can be used to add mixed numbers. There are times when one method is easier and quicker, and there are other times when the other method is easier and quicker. In the first method, we're going to start by adding the fraction part of the mixed numbers together. So we're going to add 3/8 and 2/3. The lowest common denominator of 8 and 3 is 24. 8 goes into 24 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So we get 25 24ths. If the result is an improper fraction, the next step is to convert it to a mixed number. 24 goes into 25 one time with 1 left over. Now that we've added the fraction parts together, we're going to add the integer part together. We're going to add 5 and 7 and also this 1 from adding the fractions together. So we add 5 and 7 and 1 to get 13. So when we add 5 and 3/8 and 7 and 2/3, we're going to get 13 and 1/24. Let's write 13 and 1/24 up here in the corner to remember what we got when we solved the problem with the first method. Now when we work the problem with the second method, we're going to convert both mixed numbers into improper fractions. We'll start with 5 and 3/8. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 is 43. Then we'll do 7 and 2/3. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. To add these two fractions, we're going to need a common denominator. 8 goes into 24 3 times. 43 times 3 is 129. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 23 times 8 is 184. $129 plus 184 is 313. $24 goes into 313. 13 times with 1 left over. So 5 and 3/8 plus 7 and 2/3 is equal to 13 and 1/24. When we worked the problem with method 1, we got 13 and 1/24. When we worked the problem with method 2, we got 13 and 1/24. Both methods give the same answer. You can use whichever method you prefer.